The robot does the repetitive tasks, the hard job for me.
Working with robots in this physical space, obviously it does have some limitations in terms of how the robots can reach. So it's better for us as a designer or even for a researcher or wider community to better understand the extent of the robot first before we understand the limit of the workspace and then how to work with the robots and plan our tasks appropriately.
Because of all environmental issues and sustainability matters concern, there is this need to rethink and rechange our conventional fabrication methods.
So to identify the tasks that we're trying to work with the robots, first you will have to understand what kind of attachment attached to the robots. So for these instances, you can use the robots to pick and place. If you want to use for different tasks, you can easily just change the end effector or the gripper in these instances to better understand and explore.
Robots are good tools to assist us in this matter. So I decide on using robots for fabrication. And in terms of the specific task of the technique that I use is based on my design. There were different robotic fabrication techniques that we can use in construction. But because my aim was to create a lightweight structure, robotic incremental sheet forming, because of the technique and because of the material I use, which is aluminum sheet, it's well aligned with the requirement of my design.
In a workplace like this, it's very important for us to identify what kind of tasks that been assigned to humans or even with robots. First, we have to understand the robots possess some strength and capability, and as a human, we have the dexterities and creativities which we have to better communicate with the robots so we can leverage the strength of each other to better create an effective team. In terms of what tasks we can give to the robots, first we have to understand what does the strength that it does possess. So in these instances, you can see that the robot is very good in holding in positions. So the first thing is to identify what kind of strength the robots possess, as well as what the strength that as us humans possess. For us, we are good with human dexterity and creativity. However, for robots, it will be good for strength, precision, and so on. So we can leverage that to augment our human capability.
It does a movement, but you need to tell the robot how to move. And I believe in future, it's still with AI, the robot can help and can improve the way that you are giving them instructions, and they can work on it and suggest other alternatives that might work better and might even be more sustainable.